Hi, my name is Nika Zabala, and this video is all about MySQL joins. So, we're going to be using the MySQL or MariaDB relational database management system, which allows for data storage and data processing through complex queries. So since this is not exactly an introductory video, I would suggest that if you are not familiar with a CRUD process, go ahead and review creating, reading, updating, and deleting tables from databases, and possibly a little bit of indexing to create the data set. Today, some really cool superheroes are going to be joining us in our data set. Also, I'll be putting in some live demos for you guys, so don't worry if you can't keep up. Let's get started. Joins combine data from different tables into one table. So here we have the student table with all the student info in it and the grades table. Notice how the SID in the student table and the SID from the grades table are similar. So here we have the inner join, which combines the data from both tables using their common attribute, which is SID. Notice how name, class, and grade are not common to both tables. They are just put together through the use of the SID. And here's the result from the inner join, which is just combining the different elements between tables through their intersection, which is the SID. Okay, here's the live demo. So nothing new here, we're just showing the tables. This is the student table, this is the grades table. I'm just going to show the first SQL statement. And there we go. Here is yet another example of the inner join. So we selected the name, the student.year, which means that we are accessing the year from the student table. We have the classes, the grade, the school year from the grades table, and we are combining them using the SID as well. The result is below. Okay, so here's our extended inner join statement right here. And our previous table is right here. This is our student table, this is our grades table, just like I've shown before. Now let's see if our extended inner join statement works. Okay, it works. Before we go any further, I'd like to make a point about using versus on. Using is basically used when you have the same data type and the same name on different tables. So this is what we used for the SID. However, we could also use on, which is for attributes from different tables that do not have the same name but can be merged into a single column. Now that we're done with our inner joins, let's go on to outer joins. Under outer joins, we have the left join, which is everything from the left table, including its intersection with the right table. And we have the right join, which is everything from the right table, including its intersection with the left table. Now here's an example of a left outer join, or more simply, a left join. So we have the statement select SID, name, classes, grade from student, left join grades using SID. Notice how I put the student table on the left because that's what we're joining from, and the grades table on the right. So basically, do you notice that Superman's SID is nowhere to be seen on grades? We should be able to see that in the result in the next slide. And here we have the result of the left join statement. Notice that Superman is present, but he does not have any classes nor a grade. And that's exactly where we want to be, because we are taking everything from the left table, including its intersection with the right table. Okay, now here we have our left join statement. Select SID, name, classes, grade from student, left join grades using SID. Let's see if it works. And there you go. Superman is null when it comes to his classes and his grade. Now that we're done with the left join, we're going to discuss the right join. Notice that it's still the same statement. So we have the student table on our left and our grades table on the right. Watch out if Superman will be in the results in the next slide. So notice how Superman is not part of our join table anymore, because he's not a part of the grades table, which is our right table. Okay, so now we're testing select SID, name, classes, grade from student, right join grades using SID. And here we go. The last point I'd like to make is that we could write different statements and still have the same outcome. For example, notice that select SID, name, classes, grade from student left join grades using SID has the same result as select SID, name, classes, grade from grades, right join student using SID. So here we're showing the similarity of the left join and the right join. First, the left join, nothing new here. Okay, so here we have the left join up top, and here we have the left join and the right join the same. To summarize, we've gone through the inner join statement and we've compared the using versus the on statement. After that, we've gone through the outer joins, which consists of the left join and the right join, and we've discussed how those two statements can achieve similar results. Thanks for watching.